Hi, I'm Dr. Papya Bhattacharjee, and we have a three-part problem that we're going to solve now. So part A is that we have to plot 2 points on the Cartesian coordinate system, and the points are 3, 1 and 5, 5. So let's go back here. You know, the Cartesian plane is divided by two lines, the x-axis and the y-axis, and they intersect at right angle. We know that. Okay, so we have our grid here. Let's plot the first point, 3, 1. As you know, when we plot a point, we consider the first number is our x-coordinate and the second number as our y-coordinate. So you come back here. Let's divide it. Say this is 2, 4, 6, and the left side is -2, -4, -6. On the top, the same thing, 2, 4, 6, this is 0, so this is -2, this is -4, and this is -6. Now, to plot the point 3, 1, what we do, we look at the x-axis. Since it's a positive point, so we go to the right-hand side. 3 will be somewhere right here, and 1, so we go up. On the y-axis, 1 is somewhere here, so you consider an imaginary horizontal line through 1 and a vertical line through 3, and the point where those two lines intersect is the point 3, 1. Same thing with 5 and 5. X is 5 and y is 5. So go to the x-axis, find the point 5, and on the y-axis, find the point 5, and then draw the vertical and the horizontal line both through 5, and wherever they meet, that's the point 5, 5. So those are our 2 points that we have plotted. Now, the second part of the problem, we have to calculate the distance between the 2 points. So what is the distance between the point 3, 1 and 5, 5? So on this, the coordinate plane, you can see we are considering, or we will be determining this distance between the 2 points. So we use the distance formula. The distance formula is the square root of, you have to take the difference of the two x coordinates and square them. So it's 5 minus 3, difference of the two, and square. And then you have to take the difference of the two y and then square it also, and then add the 2. So add 5 minus 1 square. And let's compute that. Here you have 5 minus 3 is 2 square. 5 minus 1 is 4 square. So this is 4 plus 16. So it is square root of 20. That is the distance between the 2 points. Okay, part C, we have to figure out what is the midpoint of these 2 points. So the very midpoint here. Right, so midpoint of 3, 1 and 5, 5. And we can use a midpoint formula again, and that is, so we have to find a point that is the midpoint of that line. So the x-coordinate can be determined by, you have to add the 2x, divide by 2. So it's 3 plus 5 divided by 2. And then for the y, you have to add the 2y and divide by 2. So it's 1 plus 5 divided by 2. And that will give you 5 plus 3, that is 8 over 2. 5 plus 1, that is 6 over 2. And this is 4, 3. So that point, so here, this is 4, and it's a little bit off. So 4, 3. That is the midpoint of this line. Thank you.